Hey guys, and welcome to the next tutorial for Certified Ethical Hacking. In this tutorial we will be talking about the Firebug, which I was about to show in the last tutorial. So before I proceed, Firebug actually is an add-on for Firefox and it integrates with Firefox. It provides a lot of development tools for us to, let's say, edit, debug and monitor the CSS, HTML and JavaScript live in any specific web page. So as you all know that email is one of the important tools that has been created. Unfortunately, a lot of attackers have misused emails to send spam messages across different or through fake or phishing mails and to communicate in secret, and they actually hide themselves behind these spam emails, similarly as I told you about the Tor browser. So these actually hackers try to undermine the business dealings. So in such instances it becomes necessary for, let's say, for penetration testers like us to trace an email and find the source of email, especially where a crime has been committed using email. You may have already learned in the previous tutorials how to find the location Email Tracker Pro. So Email Tracker Pro actually provides a lot of information such as city, state, country, etc. from where the email was actually sent. So a majority of penetration testers use the Mozilla Firefox as a web browser for their pen testing activities. In this tutorial, we will be using or how to learn or to use the, let's say, the Firebug for web application penetration test and gather complete information about them. So Firebug can be extremely useful as a debugging tool that can help you track your JavaScript code on the servers. So all you would need would be a web browser with an internet connection such as this specific Mozilla which I am using right now, administrator privileges and any random Windows server. So Firebug is an add-on tool for Mozilla Firefox, and running Firebug displays information such as directory structures, internal URLs, cookies, session IDs, etc. So to launch the start menu, however, let's say just go over here and let's see for the, if we could go and find the add-ons over here. So I'll just go ahead and type it over here as Firebug, and over here I think, okay, Firebug, and I'll just go ahead and check. Okay, I'll just go down. Okay, I think it is because of this that I need to add this into security. Let's check. Okay, instead of this I'll just go over here and type it over here as https:// and get firebug.com. Let's see if that link is still active. Okay, and add exception, confirm, and let's see if we get that. Okay, that link is still active. Okay, so let's see where's the install option over here. Most will install Firebug. Let's install the current latest stable version. Okay, so TP, let me just go ahead and add a certificate. Let me check. Okay, let me just go ahead and configure it. Okay, I'll just go back. Let's see if I could download that for Chrome. Most likely I have not yet configured it for that, so I doubt whether I would be able to go ahead and install that over here. But let's go ahead and check that if I'm able to install the same in the Chrome browser. Okay, I'll just go ahead and click on download anyway. So once it gets downloaded, it will show you an error. Okay, just let me add it down. So once actually the Firebug add-on is installed, it will appear as a gray colored bug on the navigation bar in your Chrome or your browser. So you can click on the Firebug to view the Firebug pane, and you can click on enable link to view the detailed information for console panel. So you can also go ahead and perform the same for the script net and the cookies. Firebug actually performs a lot of information, such as giving you params, headers, response, cached and cookies information. If you're actually skilled enough, you won't even need all of these things. You could straight away go ahead and gather this information all of your own. There's one more thing which I would like to show you, because I think that this would be on a loop. That is httrack. So I'll just go ahead and download this as well. So httrack is actually a website copier, and it makes that specific website available offline. So I'll just go ahead and download this, the latest version. Yeah, let's see if I'm able to download that. Okay, it's a bit slow, I believe. Let's see if I'm able to download the 64-bit version or on the alternate website. httrack actually allows you to download a specific www site through the internet. Okay, perfect, it's running. So through the internet, and you can actually go ahead and save it to any of your local directory. So by the time it gets downloaded, it's a 4 MB file. I'll tell you that websites or website server set cookies actually help us to authenticate the user if the user logs into a secure area of the website. Login information over here is stored in a cookie format, so that user can enter and leave the website without actually having to re-enter the same thing again and again. Confused? Let me give an example. Let's say, for example, you go and download to your Gmail account or any of your other email account. Then every time you log in, you actually go and sometimes save your password, and your password is actually converted inside a cookie. Converted into a cookie. So from next time onwards, you don't actually have to re-enter the same credentials again and again. It just gets, let's say, for example, entered automatically through the server, and that's what a cookie is. So now you have learned how we could go ahead and use the Firebug previously, and as cookies are transmitted back and forth through a browser and a website, if an attacker or an unauthorized person gets in between the data transmission, this sensitive cookie information can be intercepted, and an attacker can use the Firebug as to see what JavaScript was downloaded and evaluated. I'll just go and install this httrack to be more precise. Okay, let's try to open it from over here. I am still doubtful. Okay, it's running. Perfect. Okay, perfect. It's installed, and I'll just go ahead and launch it. Perfect. Okay, and next. Okay,